For this question we're asked to firstly find the derivative and then find any coordinates where the tangent is horizontal. So, firstly find the derivative. Before I find the derivative I need to turn this into power form. So I'm going to rewrite the question, understanding that the square root sign is to the power of a half. Now find the derivative. The derivative of y with respect to x is, pretend this is one thing, derivative of the outside is a half times what I've got. 1 off the power will be minus a half. That's the derivative of the outside, times the derivative of the inside, which is 2x minus 2, derivative of this bit here. Tidy this up where I can. So I've got a negative power there first, so I'm going to put that on the bottom, and it's a square root. So I've got the square root of x squared minus 2x plus 5. That's this bit taken care of. Now I've got a half of 2x minus 2. Well, we can see here that this is 2 lots of x minus 1. And a half of this, we'll cancel out those 2's, we'll leave you with just x minus 1. You may need to do that in several steps, that's fine. We're asked to find the coordinates where the tangent is horizontal. So where the tangent is horizontal. Horizontal means perfectly flat like a horizon, where the gradient of this line then would be 0. So we're asked to find this particular place. So what we're looking for is to set the derivative equal to 0. It's the gradient function. So we're going to have x minus 1 all divided by x squared minus 2x plus 5 equals 0. Now we've got a fraction. The only time a fraction can equal 0 is when the numerator is 0. And at this stage we can see that x will equal 1. We need to find the coordinate. Coordinate has x and y values. At the moment we have the x, so we can see that the coordinate is going to be 1 something. What we need to do is find out the value of y. So we're going to look at our original function, which was the square root of x squared minus 2x plus 5, and we're going to put a 1 in here. This is 1. That would be just a minus 2. This is plus 5. 1 minus 2 plus 5 is 4. Plus or minus 2. This means I have two coordinates. 1, 2, 1, minus 2. 2 places. Let's explain this a little bit further. What we were given was a square root function. This is actually the top half of the circle. Because nothing's written here, we can assume it to be the positive section of that. So it's actually going to be the top half of the circle, a bit of a semicircle. So we only need the positive section of this here. So therefore we can discount that answer.